What is a water chestnut? A water chestnut is a crunchy aquatic vegetable that I love adding to stir fries for a refreshing crunch. Are water chestnuts nuts? Despite their name, water chestnuts are not nuts, which is a relief for those with nut allergies in my family. Can dogs eat water chestnuts? I've given my dog water chestnuts as a treat, and she seemed to enjoy them without any issues. Are water chestnuts good for you? Including water chestnuts in my diet makes me feel good, knowing they are low in calories and provide a nice texture to my meals. Are water chestnuts fattening? Water chestnuts are not fattening, which I appreciate when I'm trying to maintain a balanced diet. Where do water chestnuts come from? Water chestnuts come from the muddy bottoms of ponds and marshes, making their way to my kitchen from places like China and India. How to cook water chestnuts? I usually cook water chestnuts by peeling and slicing them thinly before adding them to stir fries or salads for a crisp bite. Are water chestnuts a vegetable? Water chestnuts are definitely a vegetable, and I enjoy their unique, mild flavor. How do water chestnuts grow? Water chestnuts grow in marshy areas, and I once saw them thriving in a local pond, anchored by their long, slender stems. How to grow water chestnuts? Growing water chestnuts at home involves planting the corms in waterlogged soil and waiting for the plants to mature, which I find quite fascinating. What are bacon-wrapped water chestnuts called? Bacon-wrapped water chestnuts, known as ramaki, are a hit at my parties, offering a delightful combination of flavors. Are water chestnuts keto? Water chestnuts can fit into a keto diet if consumed in moderation due to their low net carb content. How many carbs in water chestnuts? I checked the nutritional label and found that water chestnuts contain about 24 grams of carbs per cup, so I monitor my intake. Where to buy water chestnuts? I usually buy water chestnuts at my local Asian grocery store, where they are readily available. Can you freeze water chestnuts? Freezing water chestnuts helps me preserve their freshness, so I always have some on hand for my recipes. Are water chestnuts low FODMAP? I was pleased to discover that water chestnuts are low FODMAP, making them suitable for my friends with sensitive digestion. Are chestnuts and water chestnuts the same? Chestnuts and water chestnuts are not the same, and I had to learn that water chestnuts come from aquatic plants, unlike the tree-grown chestnuts. Can chickens eat water chestnuts? I've given water chestnuts to my chickens, and they seem to peck at them curiously, enjoying the new treat. Are water chestnuts gluten-free? Water chestnuts are gluten-free, which is great for my gluten-intolerant friends who can enjoy dishes with them without worry. Water chestnut versus water caltrip. I've never actually eaten a water caltrip, but I've seen their spiky shells littering lockshores. There's a wild, untamed quality to them that's completely absent in water chestnuts. The latter are neatly packaged and processed, while water caltrips seem like something you'd forage for and prepare with care. Water chestnut versus jicama. Jicama is a refreshing, juicy alternative to water chestnuts. It has a subtle sweetness and a crispness that's more natural tasting. While water chestnuts can sometimes feel overly processed, jicama is like a piece of fresh produce, adding a vibrant crunch to salads or salsas.